the, the governor and the Raj Bhavan is not the place to prove the majority. It is the floor of the house where the majority has to be proved. So governor just cannot make a time pass of showing that he is calling Vijay and just sending him with the same message. When he called on him yesterday, it was the same thing. Today also it's the same thing. What has changed? Nothing has changed. So why Honorable Governor has to call Vijay if there is nothing changed? Now, as per the laid down practice in India that is followed, democratic practices that are followed, various Supreme Court judgments are there, and Sarkaria Commission is very clear on its observations and the guidelines. In the case the hung assembly, where no single party is getting the majority, at that time the government is under obligation to invite the single largest party and give him time to prove the majority on the floor of the house.